Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's say you had y equals 3 to the x, right? The b is 3, that's greater than 1, so that's a growth, right? So I know this will look like this. Start off with a little bit, you end up with a lot, okay? And then you'll have you're always going to have a horizontal asymptote. Okay? Let's do the opposite of this. Let's say you had a y equals a 1/3 x. Well, 1/3 is is between 0 and 1, so that's a decay, right? So you have a lot and you end up with very little, right? So there's your growth. Okay, so again, this is a growth, and that's a decay. Notice I only put the base. That way it's very clear to you who's the one that's controlling that, okay? But what I wanted to show you is, like, what if we have a negative? Like, what if I have a negative in the front right there? Okay. So remember that negative is a reflection on the x. So it's going to flip that upside down. It's going to flip it over that asymptote. So if my asymptote is here and I flip it over it, can you picture that it would look like this now? Because you're flipping it. Does that make sense? Now, it also changed. Now it's not a growth. It's a decay. You flipped it, so it becomes the opposite. It's a decay now. So that's what a negative in the front does, okay? And by the way, B is not -3, okay? B is 3, and then A is -1. Just to be clear again, okay? Same thing here. If I have y equals -1/3 x, okay? It's going to reflect that over the x-axis. Now, can you picture that if you were to rotate it around that dotted line, that asymptote, okay? And so this is what it would look like. Right, it's flipped. It's like you fold it on that line, okay? And so again, for this one, my A would be -1, and my B would be 1/3. Is that clear, guys, about the reflections, how those look? Oh, yes, thank you for helping us. Yeah, so this one's decay, so this one would be a growth. Because you're growing, it's increasing. Okay, so if you put a negative, it flips it to the opposite thing. Questions, guys, on reflections? So now we know everything, all the parts, so now we're just going to do the practice